Hi, I'm Josh Springer, owner of Property Pros. And this is my partner, Jeff Mull. We're here to talk to you today about what to expect moving forward with your project. Jeff, what are some key things the client needs to do before the project gets going?
Great question. We're excited. We're thrilled to be partnering with you on your project. The first thing we ask you to do is please reread your contract. Make sure you know the ins and outs of that contract. If there's anything you want to have included that you do not see mentioned, please get with your sales rep as soon as possible. Also, 811, we call the locates for you. If we're coming out to do a walkthrough and you do not see flags, tap me on the shoulder, say, hey Josh, where are the flags? Also, if you have a larger project, we're most likely going to be dropping off a portable restroom, so our guys do not have to leave the job site, so be prepared for that. Watering instructions, you should have received these from your sales rep via email. If you have not received these or if you can't find them, please let us know. Also, your construction will require us to use your outdoor outlets and your hose bibs. Please let us know if anything is not in working condition that you do not want us to use. Bad before better construction site. What does this mean? This means that we are going to have heavy machinery on your property and there's going to be a lot of damage to the property. But that's okay. We're the pros and you're in great hands. We're going to take care of it for you. So have faith in us. We've got you covered.
Speaking of faith and patience, I want to talk about what could cause delays in the project.
The biggest one is Mother Nature, right? So all of our work is outside, so we're at the mercy of the weather. One day of rain could mean multiple days of delay depending on the amount of rain we receive. Also, if there are material shortages or delays, that may set us back as well. City inspections. If your project requires permits and inspections, it could take, depending on the city, 1 to 3 days to come out and pass that inspection for you. Subcontractors. If we have subcontractors working on your projects, it could take a few days in between crews to make sure we coordinate everything perfectly for you.
What kind of communication should the client look for moving forward?
As we break ground on the project, we're going to have 2 forms of communication. The biggest one and most key is the group text. This is going to be between you, Josh, myself, the production manager and or the operations manager, as well as your sales representative. Please keep all communication in that group text so that we can all be sure to be on the same page. Second is going to be the fill-in Friday emails. This again is going to come from the production manager and or the operations manager. Things to look for in that email are going to be what we accomplished that week, any milestones that were crossed, any issues that we had that we came up against, and then solutions that we found for that, progress pictures, and then a timeline of completion through the rest of the project for you. And that's going to get updated weekly every Friday for you.
We're here to just say thank you so much for trusting us with your project, and we're grateful for the opportunity. Now sit back, relax, and let the pros do the work.
Thanks!